Maasenso ang hapon mga ka-Asenso. Welcome back sa itong first ever Mayor sa Miko Asenso Barangay Kapo karon. Welcome na usab kamo nga mo tanaw mo cheers sa atong second game which will be played by Barangay Kahayagan versus Barangay Lapidian. But before that mga ka-Asenso no, atoa usab nga mahinabi og makauban ang team Barangay Kahayagan o sa kabanggitang player sa Barangay Kahayagan. Pangutanon nato si Sir kung unsa ang ilahang gipangandaman karon nga ang ilahang game karon grabe kanindot kay play-in na kini. Og but before that Sir, may hapon kanimo Sir.
May hapon sab.
Sir, play-in naman ang inyong game karon no kontra ninyo Barangay Lapidian. Unsa man nga mga strategy ang inyong ginabuhat or gi-apply para inyo kining magamit karon sa inyong game?
Among strategy is kuan lang kanang same lang gihapon mi sa kuan, same lang gihapon mi sa Mondula sa mong play atong among game atong naging dula. Tapos karon among paningkamutan ni nga modaog haron nga kuan mo padayon mi sa next game o mo padayon mi sa kuan standing maka mi sa next game. Nagan pandula among mga kuan. Then amog yung goal ani is taman makaabot mi og final. Mo ginamo ang goal na mo sa mga team. Bisan to do gamon team kanang nagkakulang pero naragapon. Practice lang taga kuan. Tagay lang tugod. Inay lang tagay lang gud mi. Tanduay.
Wow, kanindot at sa message Sir. Ay, sarap buhay, tagay-tagay lang. Mga kasenso, Sir, wishing you a good luck. And then mga kasenso, ilang maghawa kay napatay ika-second part, which is ang team Barangay Lapidian. Welcome back mga kasenso. Karon kauban na usab nato ang team Barangay Lapidian. Sir, may hapon kanimo Sir.
May hapon ma'am.
Sir, pangutanon tika sa inyong game karon nga play-in kontra ninyo Barangay Kahayagan. Unsa man ang inyong gipangandaman ug unsa man mo ka-prepared sa inyong game karon ug unsa man ang mga strategy nga inyong gibuhat para nga kamo ang modaog sa atong second game karon?
Simple ra ma'am. Tinubang nga teamwork. Ara to.
Okay, so teamwork na daw ang ilang gi-practice ni Sir. Sir, wishing you a good luck og sa tibok team Barangay Kahayagan og team Barangay Lapidian. So mga kasenso, ayaw lang mo gawa og ayaw ka mo kalimot nga mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page, Asenso Sports Channel ug sa atong YouTube account, Asenso Sports Channel Official. Ayaw sab ka mo kalimot nga personal nga mo bisita diri sa atong Pagadan City Gym para personal ka mo nga maka-witness ug maka-cheer sa ato ang mga game. Mga kasenso, fasten your seatbelts kay mo balik na ta tiod-tiod. I'm Ivy Merchant Carpentero, padayon pag-asenso, pagadian.
Dumay nung kana nga picture. Dumay nung kana kita ko. Friend. Ay nako simulan. Nakawa po. Na ya siya. Ay dire ka taman, dire lang.
Dapat ra ngati.
Bingaw na kay Anga ani oy. Bingaw jud. Taha lagi na lang. Lagi lang tao. Silip.
Agaw. Hugo na daw kay Talag. Kay na ito.
Gusto na lagi na. Ka nakalas na ako.
sir, pitigay ko may sa akong luwas ng one sir, wifi sir. Ha? Pitigay ko may luwas ng wifi.
Yes, sir, go.
Pitigay ko may sir. Thank you sir, pitigay sir. Magbay, ba't sa kuwalaw? Magbay, ba't sa kuwalaw? Sir, pitigay.
Nagpay sa kuway. Kung saan na, prenup. Ayaw,
Magbay, ba't sa kuwalaw?
Kilig oh. Manyak.
Hi, Rai.
Na-picture mo Alan, right?
Picture na mong Alan, Rai. Ano, kusog ng tingog.
Send lagi na ako. Send. Oo.
Balik ko mo picture, sir, go. Sige pa daw.
Wala. Ayaw, smile.
Warm.
Uy, nice. Adyo kay potential, sir. How to be used. Baka dyan ang takas.
Ano may unta? Red yun.
Sa imong pagtuwad may misiyok gamay. Audi ay.
Picture na na eh. Say.
Di pa nga na.
Guys, picture na, uniform na, uniform.
Nakay mga kopya yung una ni Dra. Ako lang ang tagaan. Gumamit ako nga game na kaog mong duwa dito sa sinahan na pamunta na sa score sheet. Mahayong hapon sa tanan. Kani atong second game for this afternoon is between Barangay Kahayagan, rank number 8, and Barangay Lapitan, rank number 13. Ang mulaog kani nga game, mupadayon sa next na playing round. Ang mapilti, goodbye and thank you for joining. Again, knockout game na rin para sa play-in. Rank number 18, Kahayagan versus rank number 13, Lapidian, your Rural Team Barangay for the play-in tournament. This is the first Mayor Sanico Ascenso Barangay Cup. Good luck for both teams.
On air na ni. On air na, on air. And that was Coach Chow Vega, our tournament commissioner diri sa Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. Good luck sa mga participants karong hapuna. Live once again diri sa Ascenso Covered Court. It's our first Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup Rural Division B play-in tournament. It's between Barangay Kahayagan versus Barangay Lapidian. Maayong hapon kaninyo tanan mga ka-Ascenso. And good luck sa tanang mga manulaay. No? And I'd like to congratulate Barangay Lumad for winning the game earlier, eliminating Alegria in the play-in tournament. Lumad advancing in the second round of the play-in. Congratulations. And this time mga ka-Ascenso, Barangay Kahayagan versus Barangay Lapidian. Good luck to both teams. And jump ball. Now to Gutierrez. Baby Shark missing the first three-pointer of the afternoon. Ang kamera. Ow. Marco to number 8. Lagare. Cross court. And now to Gitigan. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim para kay Marco. And Marco, first points of the afternoon para sa Barangay Lapidian. And Liagono umatake, ball stripped from his hands. Murag ipit yung kay Lapidian Kahayagan. Oy, shout out daw sa gwapang nga taga-interview, IB from Teresa Undalok. Shout out sa number 18 sa Kahayagan, lantaw ko sa library, Karen. Isa pa ulit. Bang! Lapidian with 7-0 run, 3-pointer para kay Lagare. Baby Shark umatake, still can't score. Gets his own rebound. Liagono. And bola mapupuntas sa Barangay Lapidian as the ball hit his knees, forcing him to commit a turnover. Big shout out po diha kay DJ Jabs. Hindi pa managad. The very beautiful Rai Majesty. Nga busy kaayo. Balaka na siya. Saan niya mag-score? 9-0 run. And irog-irog. Another turnover for Barangay Kahayagan. Marco attacking. Reverse layup. Mintes. Irog-irog with a rebound. And Liagono finally scores for Barangay Kahayagan. 9-2 run for Barangay Kahayagan. Nagsamok-samok na po daw siya. Hala, sige. Samok-samok sa diha, Karen. And Lagare with his back-to-back 3-pointer for Barangay Lapidian. 10 ang lamang. Gutierrez to irog-irog. Under the baseline, and it's good. Marco. And now intercepted. Baby Shark. No look pass. Too strong. Out of bounds. Wala si George. Lakaw na si George. Ako na po'y puli. Lagare. Isa pang tres. Mintes this time. Hi, Karen. And Gutierrez looking for someone to pass. Wala si George, Karen. It's me. Gabi Guapo. Liagono. Nice cut. And scores in the middle. Outside para kay Lagare. To number 12. Bang! Unta abinako. Joke lang. Ninggawas pa man hinoon. Gutierrez. Basket and the foul. Gutierrez will be on the line. Kumusta naman, Gab? Grabe. Okay lang ko. Okay lang ko, Karen. Ikaw, Karen. Kumusta mo po ka, Karen? Wapo ra gihapon. Marco with the ball. Attacking, heavy traffic. Nice pass para kay Mahinay sa gilid. Can't get it to go. Liagono with the rebound. Yards na lang ko sa among masamong Gutierrez sa Baby Shark. Baby Shark nawala. Atara day. Traveling violation call against Liagono. Okay kayo. Basta okay tang duha. Marco. Umatake si Marco against heavy traffic. Kinapos. At bumalik pa sa labas. Ang kahiyagan na loyahan kay pista ni gahapon. Dapat gadala silang kuan karon salin sa pista. Wa pa nahilisi or wa pa nahuwasan sa kaubog. Time out, mga ka-Asenso. 4 minutes and 19 seconds remaining in the first quarter. 8-12. Lapedian is still on the lead. Again, mga ka-Asenso, ang mudaog aning adula karong hapuna will advance in the second round sa play-in period. They will be fighting for the 4th spot sa ilahang division, which is Rural Division B. Ang first 3 or ang rank 1 to 3 sa ilahang division is automatically sulod sa ato ang quarterfinals, and then the 4th spot will be fought by rank 4 until rank 16. Mo na tinagakay ni sila sa play-in. So knockout system tapil ditagak, mga ka-Asenso. Now, good luck sa mga mananaog ug sa mga manulaay di ay. Si Pin hangs in the air. Irog with a rebound. Balik ka Irog. Inside ka Liagono against Gitigan. Liagono off the glass. Basket is in for Liagono. Perting tagay kami kahayagan. Out of bounds. Lapedian. Dapat ani gaputi na lang ning kahayagan then ga orange ang Lapedian para maklaro. Magsayo. Umararo can't get it to go. Followed by number 21. Missed. And now Lagare with the ball. The number 12. Balik kay Lagare. Tumira na 3. High arcing shot. Missed. Miss. Nakita. Banat Lapedian. Liagono, tumira ng 3. Mintes. Matay suga manira nig 3 nila oy. And from down to 9 points, and from galing sa pagkakatambak na 9 points, and now 2 points na lang ang labang ng Barangay Lapidian. Lagari missing that jumper, and that number 12 catches the ball for the reverse layup. Mahinay. Liagono, nice cut by Torres, fakes, travel without passport. 10-14 ang score, 4-point lead for Barangay Lapidian. Marco, ball almost lost, tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Torres with the rebound, running. Torres against Gitigan. Now to Sabate, balik kay Torres, tumira ng 3, Mintes. Gitigan with the rebound. Out of bounds, Allen Iverson. Torres now. Toliagono. Open for 3. Miss na naman kita. Kumusta ka na? 22 with the rebound. Now to Enerio. Good pass para kay Marco. Supalpal ng bahagya si Marco. Torres with the rebound. Now to. Ay, too strong. One minute and 4 seconds remaining. Still 10-14 ang score. Liagono wide open. And still missing it from downtown. Rebounded by number 22, Sordilla, against Torres. And Sordilla scores. Now to Liagono, 44 seconds left. Liagono to Magsayo. Fakes, drives, Magsayo, passing to Liagono. Steps on the line and another turnover para sa Barangay Kahayagan. 30 seconds left in the first quarter. Lapidian up by 6. Kahayagan, mga ka-asenso, is ranked number 8, while Barangay Lapidian is ranked number 13. Eh, muna ilang mga standing. Marco, reverse layup. 8-point lead for Barangay Lapidian. Torres, Liagono for 3. And another miss by Liagono from downtown as the game clock expires for our first quarter. 10-18 ang score. Lapidian up by 8. Second quarter, mga ka-asenso, between Barangay Lapidian and Barangay Kahayagan. Gitigan outside the Pakinol, double dribble. Gutierrez to Torres. Magsayo sa gitna. Heavy traffic. Umararo. Magsayo. Kinapos. And Sabate misses that follow up. Inside. Supalpal ni Marco. And now the ball goes to Barangay Lapidian as Marco tries to attack. Marco nakalusot off the glass and it's good. Torres is fouled.
Substitution. Number 21, Pavano, for number 30, Daniel. Those shots for number 20, twice.
Entering to zone. Yeah, entering to zone violation. Gitigan now with the ball. Tumira ng tres. Bang! Gitigan finally nails a three-pointer from downtown as they lead by 13 points. Magsayo inside to Irog. And kapos pa rin ang tira. Irog gets another rebound.
Foul number 80. Vaquino. First of all, third foul. Lapidia.
Nice cut by Liagono and finally scores. Ayun, foul. Foul.
Foul number 7. Yagonos. First of all. First foul. Two shots for number 20, Marco.
Magsayo, sidestep, missed.
Please say that's violation.
Pass break, Liagono with another score for Barangay Kahayagan. Gitigan. Now to Sipin. Sipin, heavy traffic. Sipin scores. Liagono up and under. Maghinay to Marco. Marco. Turnover. Timeout called by Barangay Lapidian as they lead by as much as 10 points with 6 minutes and 16 seconds remaining in the second quarter. And back to our ball game from the timeout. Ball stolen now by Marco. As Marco tries to attack. Marco missing that layup. Chance para makarecover ng Barangay Kahayagan and is fouled.
Foul number, Lagare. First the ball.
(16-26). Lapidian up by 10. And Liagono nails a free throw. Lagare. Mahinay. Mahinay bouncing off the rim. No good. Irog with a high flying rebound. Ball stripped from his hands. Agawan ang bola. Jump ball. And bola mapupunta sa Barangay Kahayagan.
Barangay Kahayagan.
Liagono, nice feed inside. Para kay Irog, natigilan. Binalik sa labas. Liagono. Ayun, piti. Oh, walay foul. (17-26). Sordilia. Mahinay. Short. Tapi ka ng bola. Ball goes to Barangay Kahayagan. Magsayo. Gutierrez, jumper. Off the mark ang jumper ni Gutierrez. What is happening to Barangay Kahayagan here? Sordilia. Travel. Kita kaayo.
Violation.
Liagono, another score off the glass. Uy, shoutout ko kay Raima diha.
Substitution.
Ah.
Number 85.
Shoutout ko kay Raima. Oo, pagwapa pa Raima. Oh. Ah, preach na preach. Ah, sus, lamig smile ni Raima. Ay. Iba talaga pag ang mata ang nakangiti. The smile of the eyes is better than the smile of the lips. Ah, tinuod. Shot clock violation.
Shot clock violation.
Inspired ka karon, Ray? Lagare, tumahinay. Balik kay Lagare against Liagono. Finding Enerio, no good. Marco, tumalon and is fouled.
Foul number 40. First of all. Second team foul. 2 shots for number 20. Rebound. Marco.
Torres will check in for Baby Shark. Gutierrez. Marco in and out for free throw. Second throw. And it's good. Liagono. Nag-iisang umatake against 4 defenders. (21-27).
Warning for proper Vince Igoro.
Fast break para kay Liagono. Yes, sir!
Yaguno.
23-27, apat na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Lapidian. Hinahabol ni Liagono na mag-isa ang score. Tapi ka ng bola. Mahinay. Bang! High arcing 3 para kay Lagare. And Liagono is bumped. No foul is called. Mahinay na yun. Lagare dito. Lagare. To Mahinay. Ito ra si Mahinay. Oh. Wala shot. Mahinay. Ingon Mahinay. Makusog man lagi. Magsayo lost the ball from his hands.
Number 5, Kahayagan.
Timeout called by Barangay Kahayagan as they trail by 7 points. 23-30. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Back to our ball game from the timeout. Mahinay. Travel. Yanong ni Hunong.
Robbery violation.
Torres. To Liagono. Liagono. Driving again. Liagono. Yes, sir!
Yaguno.
Liagono carrying Barangay Kahayagan on his back. Mag-isa niyang hinabol ang score. From the paint, Lagare, long 2, and it's good.
Lagare.
Sumagot naman agad si Lagare ng puntos para sa Barangay Lapidian. Not letting Barangay Kahayagan na makahabol. And Liagono, tight defense here for Barangay Lapidian. Di makalapit ang Kahayagan. Outside to Torres for 3. Mintes. Liagono with the rebound. Liagono to Torres. Feeding irog-irog sa ilalim. Reverse layup is good.
Irogiro.
Gitigan, 42 seconds left. Mahinay. Baseline shot, no good. Isa pa ulit para kay Lagare. Missing it this time. Now to Irog-Irog. 22 seconds left. Liagono. And Liagono scores. Liagono nga number 18 ha. Ganina si number 7 tong nag-aswat sa Kahayagan. Getigan. Heavy traffic is fouled. With 4.6 seconds left in the second quarter. 29-32.
Foul number 6, Irogiro. First personal foul.
And Gitigan missed the first throw.
Gitigan.
Second throw. Missing it again. Pakinol with the putback. And that's the end of our first half. 29-34. Lapidian pa rin ang lamang sa game ball na to. Kahayagan wasn't able to catch up with the score. See you in the second half. (29-34). Ban? Senior high. College man ko. And back to our ball game. Third quarter.
Third quarter.
Lapidian is still on the lead. Marco turns around, nabitawan ang bola, heavy traffic, ganda na depensa ni Magsayo, di makalusot si Marco. Pass break para kay Liagono ulit, and Liagono with an easy layup. Marco behind the back, di pa rin makalusot, ayun nakalusot, tatlong bantay. Agawan ang bola, Gitigan wins that ball. Now to Marco. Nice feed para kay number 15. Si Pin missed. Irog-irog flying for that rebound. Ang Sakuragi ng Barangay Kahayagan. Baby Shark Gutierrez to Liagono. Corner 3. Missed. Gitigan now with the rebound. Again, Sabate. Gitigan. Pass intercepted. Now to Lagare for 3. Bang! Lagare still sharp on downtown. He is 1 of 4, I think, from downtown. No, still sharp this afternoon. Sabate, babawi. Too strong. Tapi ka ng bola, Liagono wins it. Gutierrez inside Magsayo. Balik kay Liagono. Gutierrez bakante for 3. Too strong again. Magsayo with the rebound. Nakita si Sabate na bakante, but unable to catch that pass. Magsayo, umararo sa ilalim, no good. Si Pin with the rebound. Gitigan to Lagare. 3 against 3. Lagare, the lob para kay Marco. Balik and stolen by Liagono. Liagono all the way. And bouncing off the rim. Missing it. Lagare, ayun, nakita si Marco. Balik kay Lagare, balik kay Marco. The give and go by Lagare and Marco for Barangay Lapidian. 31-39, 8-point lead for Barangay Lapidian as Gutierrez tries to attack. Now Liagono wide open for 3. Another too strong. Irog-irog to Baby Shark. 1-2. Baby Shark, no good. Fast break para kay Marco. Easy layup. Bang! At napatawag ng timeout ang Barangay Kahayagan. 31-41. 10-point lead for Barangay Lapidian. What an unusual gameplay here for Barangay Kahayagan. Usually, sila ang aggressive nga team. But it's unusual for this afternoon nga medyo luya ang ilahang dula karon. Anyway, it's just an observation. O wala ta naanad ba no? Wala ta naanad nga medyo luya ang ilang performance. Kaya usually sila gyud ang usa sa mga aggressive nga team dire sa Rural Division B. But who knows, no? Taas pa kayong oras. 6 minutes and 51 seconds left pa for the third quarter. 31-41. And back to our ball game. Third quarter na ba yun? Liagono to Irog-Irog, balik kay Liagono, guarded by Marco, nice cut by Irog-Irog, intercepted by Sipin, and Sipin is fouled.
Number 7. Liagono, second personal foul.
Gitigan, intercepted, fast break kay Liagono, ayun, foul.
Foul number 5, Gitigan. First personal foul. First team foul, Latvia. 2 shots for number 7, Liagono.
Marco, recover the ball. Prete, balik kay Marco. Marco, Umararo, no good. Tapi ka ng bola. 18 with the rebound. Liagono to Gutierrez. Baby Shark, Gutierrez. And is blocked. Fast break para kay Marco. And yes, sir. Marco with a fast break points. 32-43, di pa rin makahabol ang Barangay Kahayagan. As Liagono, strip na naman ang bola sa kanyang mga kamay. Gitigan. Ayun, kasala pa yun. And Sabate against Prete. Sabate lays it up. No good. Gets his own rebound. Liagono falls away for that layup and he is fouled. Magsayo checks in for Barangay Kahayagan. Sabate. Miss you, Bibi. Ten-point lead for Barangay Lapidian. Gitigan. Open for 3. Missed. Di pa binantayan si Gitigan. Shot bitaw to ah. Liagono to Baby Shark.
Gutierrez.
Gitigan to Lagare. Corner 3 missed. Liagono with the rebound. Now to Magsayo. Medyo slow pace yun ang kuan Barangay Kahayagan karon. Magsayo, forced shot, rebounded by Sabate. Bola mananatili sa Barangay Kahayagan. Timeout called by Barangay Lapidian.
This finals go to you by City Councilor, Idol June Long Jr.
Back to our ball game. Sabate.
Aircraft steady.
And Llagono. Baseline jumper. Mintes. Gitigan with the rebound. Nakita si Marco for that fast break. And kinapos ang easy layup ni Marco. Gutierrez now with the ball. Baby Shark over Llagono, and Llagono scores. 37-43. Gitigan. Hindi binantayan si Gitigan. Ayan tuloy. Pasok ang 3 points ni Gitigan. Now Gutierrez. Tumagsayo, ganda ng pasa para kay Llagono sa ilalim. Llagono with a double-digit score, 39-46. 39-46.
Official strike.
Officials timeout mga ka-Asenso. Kaihion na itong kameraman. 39-48. Kaihion na itong kameraman. Naog sa kadyut ang kameraman kamingihi. (39-48). 2 minutes and 34 seconds left in the third quarter. Gutierrez. Tumagsayo. Umararo. And there's a foul called against Marco. Blocking foul.
Foul number 21. Stephen personal foul. For 3 foul. Lapedia. 2 shots for number 40, Magsayo.
Magsayo nails his first throw. Pangalawang tira. And it's good. Nails it both. 7 na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Lapidian. Good interception here by Llagono. Sordilla. Pinasa pa. And recovers the ball. Sordilla forced off balance shot. Llagono with the rebound. Now to Gutierrez. Gutierrez with a jumper and missed. Llagono with the rebound. Gutierrez for 3. Off the mark. Tapi ka ng bola. Llagono is blocked. Pero may foul na itinawag. against Marco. 41-48.
21.
Liagono nails his first throw.
And missing the second one, Magsayo missed. Agawan ng bola sa ere. Ball will remain in Barangay Kahayagan.
40. Substitution.
Gutierrez. Pass almost intercepted. Liagono to Magsayo. Heavy traffic. And stolen by Marco. Bola mananatili sa Barangay Kahayagan. As Marco steps on the line. Good feed sa ilalim. Missed. Marco diving for that ball as Liagono tries to do a teardrop. No good. Liagono is fouled. Kamot raman to rip.
Second, first of all. Penalty.
So, second personal foul. Penalty.
2 shots for number 7. Liagono.
Gitigan with the rebound. Now to Sordilla. Marco. Umatake. Marco is fouled. Medyo lisod-lisod. Yun isupalpalo ni si Marco. Labi nakahunat na kay kuan kining taas manggod. Taas tail. Taas og kamot. Taas puglayat. Oh, Disney Princess lagi taron.
2 shots for number 20. Raymond Water.
Ah, the beautiful rhyme, ma'am. Disney Princess. Mora yung Disney Princess nga manumbag magdaog-daugon. Oy, shout out Wilkie Ginia. Ang bat trap sa upper sipa. 42-49. Tindog sa dami, Disney Princess ba? 52 seconds. Saya dula. Pass break para kay Marco. And Marco nailing that layup. 42-51, 33 seconds. Gutierrez to Liagono. No good. Gitigan. Recovered by Magsayo. Lays it up and it's good. Marco atake ulit. And Marco binawi agad ang puntos na nawala. Gutierrez long 3. Too strong. Medyo mahaba-haba pa ang oras. And that's the end of our third quarter. 44-53. Lapidian pa rin ang lamang. This quarter is brought to us by Disney Princess.
And back to our ball game from the timeout. Shout out ko ni Yan John Leo Uba, Bebe Villanueva Uba, nga mga tisoy sa San Jose. Ikaw din, hindi ka apil sa tisoy. Ikaw, Jude Wilkes. Marco hangs in the air. Another layup for Marco. Agoy, disgrasya, gining kahiyagan ron. Huwag dili na sila magtarong. Magsayo recovers that ball. Muntikan pa. And Liagono saves it. Steps back. Liagono driving, attacking, lays it up. No good. And ball goes to Barangay Lapidian. Take note mga ka-Asenso, Barangay Kahiyagan is rank 8 while Barangay Lapidian is rank 13 sa standing nila, no, sa ilahang rural division. Mahinay. Amin ako mahinay, makusog man lagi mo ang bang.
This one was brought to you by City Councilor Swap Vita Gold.
Again, take note mga ka-Asenso ha, ang mapildi aning dula tagak na. Ang Mudaog will advance sa second round sa ato ang play-in. Og naay libre picture ni Disney Princess. Torres. Lapidian should hang on this lead so that they will have the win for this afternoon. Pass break. Mahinay ang ganda ng pasa para kay Marco. Mid-air decision to pass it para kay Marco. Unselfish play there for Maghinay. And sa bate, Tuliagono na bitawan ang bola. Out of bounds, bola mapupunta pa rin para sa Barangay Kahiyagan. Paha, oy. Liagono, to sa bate. Kadagit pag-foul, oh.
Foul number 50, City. Seaman, personal foul, first hit foul. Lapidian.
If Barangay Lapidian can maintain this type of lead, then Lapidian will be having higher chances of winning this game. No, if maintain nila siguro mga bandang mga 3 minutes remaining. Paan pa? Taas-taas jig tsansa ang Lapidian. But if makakambak ang Barangay Kahayagan, unay giningon, goodbye Lapidian. And Irog-Irog gumita the foul. Personal foul for the first son. Irog-Irog, second personal foul for the first son. Yawa, ala. Gitigan. Recovered and another good pass. This time para kay Pakinol. Sabate. Torres to Sabate. Nakalusot, lays it up, and finally scores. Uy, shout out day ko kay Ronald Joy Gilos. Ali, dari tapat na dari Joy. I miss you so much. Ali, dari, sige, lakaw-lakaw diha. Ali, dari ba? Ay, umni ka na lang. No.
First of all, second big one, Mayaga. 2 shots for number 23, Raymond Michael.
Diba? 47-60 Intercepted by Gitigan. Now to Marco. 2 against 2. Marco lost the ball. Uy, shout out Jeff Balungkas of Barangay Tuburan. Matik yan. Shout out ko sa kung andol nga nadira si IB Carpentero, Jubil Octubre. Ah, ikaw ha? Oy, shout out ko kang Ronald Joy Gilos. Shout out ba yan? Santo Niño. Bulatok Santo Niño. Shout out daw kay Ronald Joy Gilos na dili daw ipasaba nga naa siya diri kay makabalo to yang misis patay siya. Ayaw yung saba mo guys. Mga ka-asenso ay magsaba nga na si wala, default ang kawit gapon. Si Pin steals the ball. Now Gitigan. Smartly taking their time. Pakinol to si Pin. And missed. Magsayo with the rebound. Magsayo. Backing. Claro. Guwapo niya oh. Second o third game niya.
Foul number 80, Joaquino, second personal foul, second free block. 2 shots for number 40. Offside.
And Magsayo nails his second throw. 48-64. 6 minutes and 14 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Traveling violation call against Magsayo. Again, shout out ko sa akong very best friend, Ronald Joy Gilos, nga dili day pasaba nga na siya diri. And ikyas ra. Mahinay against Baby Shark Gutierrez. Mahinay now to Gitigan. 4 minutes have passed in the fourth quarter. Stolen by Magsayo. Pass break para kay Llagono. Bola babalik sa Barangay Lapidian. Wala ko niya. Dili ako niya. Squad throw na.
Swati, second personal foul, for Himpa, Hayaga.
Marco is fouled. Basket. No basket. Basket, no basket. And a big shout out sa atong Disney Princess this afternoon.
Foul number 40, Magsayo, second personal foul.
Second personal foul for the person.
2 shots for number 22, Raymond Juan.
And second throw is good. Disgrasya yun ang kahayagan ron. O di yun sila makaapas. Llagono with a layup. Marco. Crosses over. Di makalusot. Now to Gitigan. Shot clock. 7. Gitigan. Heavy traffic. Sipin. Jumper. Miss. Pakinol with the rebound. Sipin again. Another miss. Rebounded by Magsayo. Pass break para kay Llagono. And Llagono Yes, sir!
Final. Lapidia. This final spell Williams, City Councilor, Marjorie Rivero Seno.
And now back to our ball game from that timeout with 4 minutes and 12 seconds left. Traveling violation.
Property violation.
Turnover para sa Barangay Lapidian. Gutierrez to Sabate. Liagono to Gutierrez. Open three. Another miss. Untol pa gyud. Untol pa gyud sa naong ni Gitigan ang bula. Gutierrez still missing from downtown. Sipin with a strong rebound now to Gitigan. Ball will remain in Barangay Lapidian. Sipin with the ball. 3 minutes and 39 seconds left. 52-65. Sordilia to Lagare. Double team. Sipin. Balik kay Lagare. 3-pointer. Tres to. Wala. Liagono. Up and under, Liagono off the glass. 54-65. Mahaba pa ang oras. Lagare to Sordilia. Lapidian starting to commit turnovers now. Good defense for Barangay Kahayagan. Nabakante si Sipin. Good look here by Sordilia. And Liagono almost lost it. Nice fake by Sabate. Driving, lays it up, too strong. Liagono. And missed that layup. Fast break para kay Sordilia. Missing it. Second chance and it's good. Timeout Barangay Kahayagan. And ball goes to Barangay Lapidian. What a turnover there. Sipin, nice fake.
and missed. Sipin with a second chance. Tatlong defender and it's good by Sipin. Last 2 minutes mga ka-Asenso, 54-71. Hindi pa rin makahabol ang Barangay Kahayagan as Gutierrez is double teamed by the yellow shirts. Undalok, nice feed sa ilalim by isa ba ni number 22. Sordilla is double teamed. Kahayagan with no timeout left. Both teams with no timeouts left. While Kahayagan has no fouls to give, while Lapidian still has 3 fouls to give. 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. 56-71. Lapidian smelling their victory this afternoon. Kabatanya missing that 3-pointer. Sabate recovers. Another miss. Tapikan ang bola. Ball goes to Barangay Lapidian. And Barangay Kahayagan, unusual ball game for this afternoon. Gutierrez, no look pass. Kabatanya stops, fires. Miss from downtown. Sabate rebounds the ball. With 42 seconds left, Sabate. Another miss from downtown. What a turn of events here. Kahayagan, an aggressive team, but eliminated by Barangay Lapidian, wherein Barangay Lapidian is ranked 13. Finally scores. And congratulations to Barangay Lapidian for advancing the second round of the play-in. Thank you very much for Barangay Kahayagan for participating the first Mayor Sabico Asenso Barangay Cup. Congratulations again, Barangay Lapidian.
This is the 3-1 Mayor Sabico, the Mayor Sabico Asenso.